If you're purchasing new appliances, you're probably reading online reviews, asking your friends for their advice and learning all the manufacturer specs. But you've probably seen a lot of buyer's remorse and comments from people wishing they had bought something different. Wouldn't it be great to learn all the nightmares to avoid up front so they don't happen to you? In this new series, that's exactly what we're going to do. We'll show you the common and uncommon pitfalls and mistakes in every category, from starting a project to delivering, without the several different types of damage that can happen in your home. This time we're talking about wall ovens, range tops, and cooktops. In this video, we're going to explain 3 common mistakes people make when purchasing new wall ovens, cooktops, or range tops. 1 is not knowing the difference between a range top and cooktop. 2 is over-centralizing wall oven in your kitchen plan. And 3 is defaulting to double wall ovens. As a bonus, in the end of this video, we'll show you the most dangerous new wall oven design trend you need to avoid in order to keep you and your family safe, especially if you have small children. Features and installation are completely different. A cooktop is the top of a regular stove. It is installed on your countertop. A range top is the top of a range and is installed on your cabinet. Cooktops cost less than range tops. However, most people automatically buy a range top for high output without realizing that many cooktops deliver 1 to 2 high output burners. Range tops have more configurations, including integrated grill, griddle, and French top options, as well as larger sizes for additional cost. But if you don't need a grill or griddle, you could save money and buy a good cooktop. As always, assess what you need and buy what's right for you. You don't need to over-centralize wall ovens, especially in a medium to large size kitchen. Yet you see wall ovens scrunched into the middle of many kitchen designs. Here's why centralizing wall ovens is a mistake. You don't check the turkey or anything cooking for a longer duration every minute like you would stirring a pot of soup. So to avoid a traffic jam in your kitchen, you should only centralize the sink, cooktop, and dishwasher. Everything else can be located on the perimeter of your kitchen, or you can buy point-of-use ovens if needed. My parents had a range, convection microwave, and wall ovens in their apartment when they moved in. The wall ovens still had factory packaging when they moved out because they had too many appliances that did the same thing and didn't use them at all. Many people buy double wall ovens without considering other possibilities. Do you really need 2 of the same oven with the same features? You can buy a steam oven, a speed oven, a microwave, or warming drawers instead, and have different and in some cases better cooking options. Before you buy that double, at least consider different options that might be better for you. Now for a really bad and dangerous design trend. You're starting to see people stack wall ovens way too high up in their cabinets. Something like double wall ovens and then another type of wall oven on top of that, like a microwave. You never want to lift a hot dish over your head. It can be especially problematic with small kids tugging at your pants or trying to get your attention. You can always put that microwave in your island or somewhere else in your kitchen. Again, assess how you use your kitchen and plan accordingly. Never risk the safety of yourself or your loved ones by trying to cram everything into one space. If you use that microwave sparingly, then it doesn't need to be central in your design. Today you learned about the 3 main mistakes people make when purchasing cooktops, range tops, and wall ovens, along with the very dangerous design trend. To review, don't confuse a range top and cooktop. Now that you know the difference, really understand what you want in your existing cooking surface. Range tops have more functionality, but will you really use it? You don't have to centralize your wall ovens, which will open up more possibilities in your kitchen plan. Don't default to double ovens. Consider other options. They'll give you more cooking possibilities. Lastly, don't ever stack wall ovens. You don't want to spill hot anything all over you and your family. Click here to watch more videos on mistakes you need to avoid when renovating your kitchen, and thanks for watching.